Sunrise Boss Production.
Sauce, but when I'm leaving, I leave guy in there. The sauce that you make me eat. Wagwan now. Me beautiful babes. Breadfruit tree me there, you know. Yeah, one so a nice one there. But you know, one there. One day we up there, so. Yeah. Yeah, one me there and on the breadfruit tree. I pick 2 breadfruit for roast. You know what I mean? So when I done pick it, make you see what I go on. Yes, I.
Nah, my pre man. You see pre in a real life, countryman style, yardman style. Now go pick a breadfruit and now you soon see it drop out the tree. But here what I want to do now, man, I want to run go over to likkle YouTube channel, go subscribe. Now you see pre in a real life, yeah man. Go and go subscribe to likkle TV YouTube channel. Just do that for me in a real life, you know what I mean? Yeah man, just tell my Sunrise Boss, you know, right now the boss gonna see in a real life. And the boss catch something, man. We are going to deal with it on the seaside. So just stay tuned for that. You see, pray? Yeah, man. So just subscribe to him channel. Tell him say Sunrise Boss. You know, just do that for me now, please. Yeah, man. He's a young YouTuber and he want it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Me can't say he want it. Yeah, man. Meaning him love what I'm doing. So, him just want to show him what going. He's a fisherman that go see go show fish. So, just go check out him channel, likkle TV in a real life.
You want to see that? Pretty. Pretty. That is it. Yeah. Find a nice roasting breadfruit from off a tree. Look funny. Black. Strictly yellow heart. Dig it out and put in a sun. Because you know say this me up on the beach side. I'm going to link up with a YouTube vlogger today. And you know say want to roast the breadfruit and mash up with some fish. You see pre? Yeah man, that I pre man. So just stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. Very nice still, you know. Nice breadfruit. Ain't lying. Yeah, pick one more. So me have 2. Yeah man, catch it. Me catch him when I turn, you know. Okay, me just pick it from the tree and I turn. Yeah man, so them 2 breadfruit can't do me. Yeah man, I dig them out, put in the sun here now. Yeah man, just use a knife. You dig out the stem and put it down. See that's strictly yellow heart. You want to dig out the stem and you do that on the top, put it down, make it drain. Yeah man, you don't want the stem to ring out peeps, you want it to dig out. So when I roast it, the fire can penetrate in the middle and help roast it, you see, pre. Okay. Strictly yellow heart, you know. Yeah, man, so next time you see them, yeah, up on the seaside, you see, pre. Yeah, man. Yellow heart breadfruit, them, man. Yeah, man. Then I'm in the kitchen, and I pack up here now. If I go up on the seaside, yeah, man, my brother say, I'm have a barracuda and a couple other fish I want me deal with. So you don't know, roast breadfruit with some fried fish cooked on a sunrise bar sauce, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm gonna make some sauce with some whole heap of stuff, you see, pre? Yeah, man, vinegar, molasses, onion, lime, ketchup. Just stay tuned, man. You have to see what go on in real life. So, I line up with the line up and I'll put them in the car. Then I head to Padgy Beach. Where I go? Padgy Beach. Yeah, man. And where that beach is located? In a St. Mary. Which part in a St. Mary? No Port Mara. Yeah, man. In a real life. So, I line up here now and car down if the car done. That's the car. And then you know the thing set. Cooking time on the beach. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, fully active. Stop and get some water, you know some of them on my way to go to the beach. So I travel some drinking water, you see, pre? Right now I'm at Castle Garden, get some water. Yeah, fully active. So water pressure high, you know. No, I have to turn down the pipe. Water pressure high. Nice drinking water this night. It's a water that comes from straight to White River. Yeah, man. Fully buckle, so you know, say buckle and I buckle I carry now. One more stop me have to make one stop at the market and get little stuff to use, you see it? Like some garlic and pepper and scallion and thyme and them something there. Yeah, man, so I stop by the market, get them there, and then I head straight to the beach and start the cooking. Roast breadfruit with some barracuda cooked on in a sunrise bar sauce. And I'm not normal, man, in a real life. So the palm way I know I drive around Jervis Corner, you know, if you head go, if you head in a Port Mara town. You see, pre? Yeah, man. Fully active now. We're outside. Yeah, man, reach a market now, so I'm going to see what I can get in the babes. Alright. How many journey, man, I say? Well, go on now. Alright, no, nothing too great.
Where have you sent by now? The boy.
Go up a Padgy, they go shot on one video.
You already?
Up there, me I go. So I just want for that one cooking there. And more other garlic there too. One a scallion on time. Can put piece of time for me. And think we should have took.
Dennis, you have to play part of the seat. You want to go out before 6 and 3 9. Put one to go out, buddy.
Don't want to get no fungus or no tissue infection on it. How much that now?
900. Stick one big one there.
Give me carrot and make it 1,000.
How long time you see you put on for me? How long time you see on for me phone to ask you?
Oh, I put up all the while, man. Don't till yesterday.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
YouTube?
Yeah, man. Maybe through you're gonna subscribe to enough other channel,
Yeah.
so enough come up. Yeah, make it back in the car, I get what I want now. So you know, I go straight up on the beach, I go here now. Stay tuned for that, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, you're going. One buckler. Okay, island now. Nice and pretty sand me a drive pan. Yeah man, you don't know this shore beach. Me there you know in a Pudgy Beach and up there so me a link up Likkle TV in a real life. And so I'm up for me deal with. And then you know we are gonna start the video. Yeah man, we are gonna start the video in a real life. So right now I'm just a drive go push power, we are gonna do the cooking under the almond tree them way up at the top. Yeah man, in a real life. So just remember, subscribe to my channel. Yeah man, you have to subscribe to my channel. Here's it free. So and then subscribe to Likkle TV. If you even don't want to subscribe to my one, just go and go show your boss some love same way. Likkle TV, here's it free in a real life. Cause enough time and everybody will watch subscribe. So just do the right thing. On the beach me there you know I get fully active.
Hilltop, you have a tea you need clean, man. I tell you, Hilltop. I have this shot to come shot up on here. You walk out so you don't get there. I'll be a girl.
Hey. Briefcase dinner table, you know?
Yeah man.
Box lad.
Right.
fully active. Yeah man, remember subscribe to Likkle B TV in a real life. See boss out to sea. Yeah man, boss a draw in a parrot. You know, I'm going to see me deal with that in a different video. You see pre, but right now I'm soon see boss shotty barracuda. Yeah man, in a real life man, it's a barracuda we are gonna mash up in a day. Yeah. So just stay tuned and watch the video cleanly. Around 2 shots them off the game. 3 shots. You see pre? Yeah man. So just subscribe to the channel them in a real life. To a barrel full of the bread. We shot him and he run off with the gun and he go eat up the bottom and the tear out, you know. He's gone, you know. Yes, barracuda coming up. I have some sauce for cooking down in today, you see. Don't worry yourself. We all gonna full jar your barracuda. Yeah man, fisherman them brave still in peeps, deep water man then there, you know. Me pray that God go with them, you know. Cause me now go out there with them, you know. Yeah man, me pray that God keep them safe at all time. All of the fishermen them, you see it, cause of that them choose for them work, you see, pray. And remember on the land then turn up on the water, them have to there now, you know what I mean? Finna fi active, everything have to active out there. Yeah man, in a real life man. But look upon it, a nice barracuda. Me have some sauce for cooking on that today. In a real life, look upon the teeth them. While I go me glimpse them sharp. If them the bite in a trouble. Yeah man, you don't know say a fisherman yeah, a Likkle B TV. So just show him some love on YouTube. Talking about that too, I think him upload that video here to people. So go check it out. When you see real deal how him go out there go shoot him out or how him angle him thing. You see pray? Yeah man, in a real life. Nice barracuda man. You see pray? So just subscribe to your channel them. Fully active all the time. Watch ya. Come like all the spear fly straight through. So I'm a fair fighter now for push back his spear through. You see pray? For sure your man them fish gun powerful out to sea there. To fly straight through the fish in a real life. But I say I got still a be a vibes and niceness. You know, the first video this man do with the Jenna. You know, I gotta see what more video for come and see that them have them boat out there. So them just shoot and go through in a boat. See big bass take up in thick. Big bass are gonna knock you out.
Yeah, knock him out.
Yes, sir. Oh. I knock him out. There's a dead barracuda bite, that's true? There's a dead barracuda will bite you. Here, stitches.
Yeah man, everything active man. Everything active boss and shoot something else again. A whole heap of fish them shoot. Whole heap of fish them shoot. Watch out. Come like boss I shot him again. Rotted boss shot him again peeps. I two spear that in a fish. You see pre. Yeah man, so in our next video now I see me cook some fish. I them same one they shoot it. But for today we just have focus on the barracuda in a real life. But boss thing they active man. One thing active, look at nice parrot. Yeah man, two nice parrot them the peeps. Yeah man. Everything active. So just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend. Tell a friend. You see pray, everything active. We outside.
Yeah, see stuff for them to them. You don't know where they got.
Yeah man, see breadfruit them fully active, you know. Yeah man, in a real life. On the beach side, me there now see fish around here, so see it yeah? Yeah man, we gonna cut it up here now, big old barracuda. Enough people afraid of, but me say if I fly a touch it good. Alright, now I will if I fly a touch this peep, so me know it good. I go wash it off with some lime here now and some vinegar, season it up, and you know it's a cooking time. Yeah man, and a general over here, so you know. Yeah man, fully active,
yes,
like bar shooting, you know.
Yeah man, my respect, you know.
Yeah man.
Don't know, Likkle B from Likkle B TV on YouTube. Yeah man.
Yeah man, fully active.
Fully active every time, guys.
Yeah man. So you know, say boss, shoot the fish, you know, so you can check out film channel. You have a whole heap of video on the same way.
Yeah, man.
You got deep water, see, yo. Check out the video them peeps.
Whole heap of content will come, man. Yeah, see, we are link up with Sunrise, man.
Yeah man. So right now we just there catch a fire, real way yardman style. So as soon as the fire catch up, you know, a breadfruit we are gonna put in that.
Yeah man.
Fully
active, you know.
Fully active. So we are line up here now, we cut up the fish, wash it off, and season it up. Yo, I don't know, but come like my son host. I show me have the flow. I don't know if my son host to no, but come like my son host to myself. You see free? But the flow peeps, the flow. But otherwise everything good. We are gonna get fully active in our kitchen here now. Yeah man, all of them are gonna make the little secret sauce. Yeah man, easy pre, everything active man. Right now peeps, you know some day I gotta try cutting yardman style. Yeah man, slice it up, put in some vinegar water. Yeah man, slice it up and then me use something and bust the middle bone. Yes, fish them done cut up. So you know me I wash them off with some lime. Yeah man. If I'm done wash them off with the lime, you know I seasoning up time in a real life. Yeah man, little bit TV there. But I watch how me I deal with them decent and nice. Yeah man, fully active man, yardman style. Yes it pray. Yeah man, never tell a lie in a real life. Yeah man, wash off you know. So I take them out of the water and then you know what I go on after. Season them up with some jerk seasoning. Cause you don't know me, I do them under some sauce so me I go make yardman style. Yeah man, so I just give them some normal season, just some jerk season, little onion and pepper and something. Cause after them I go cook down back in all of them, the onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, tomato, all of them I cook down in there. So just stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Breadfruit they pan fire. Yeah man, them are 2 breadfruit I pick up on my yard, you know. Yeah man, pick them and roast them. And normal breadfruit them are go nice with also the sauce to peep. So stay tuned, you're go see everything. That video is nice and full of vibes in a real life, you see it? Yeah man, so you just there easy back. Yeah man, there put on some seasoning now. We are going to fry then cook it on some sauce, you know. But you know the jerk season, I eat a bomb at Jamaica. So whether you go jerk, or you go fry, or you go brown stew, you better use the jerk season if you want to have that nice taste there. So that me a throw up on it now as usual. Some jerk seasoning. Yeah man. Make sure everything get a little touch. And then you know say I go fry up them you know. Catch up the coal stove. And even coal stove what me have today. I carry me have today and a coal stove. So I catch up the carry me. And then me start fry them now. And then I cook them down now, some molasses and some honey and ketchup and you know what I mean? So you soon see what I go on. Just subscribe to the channel. Over here so some onions, scallion and thyme. Well you know so I just season up this with just a jerk season. I put some thyme over here. I put piece of onion and just piece of scotch bonnet pepper cause I fry me I go fry it up. When I go cook it down you know so I can put in all of them there. You see pre? But for right now I just give him a touch of them there. At the jerk season you want you know to soak in the meat and then you can start fry it. But look on it. Active. You want breadfruit and roast. One turn. Yeah man, piece boy nearly look like all the fish can fry yesterday, you know. Because breadfruit they almost done roast, you know. But fish fry ketchup. But if it take too long, you know I fry it, I roast it. I fry the fish them over here so. But otherwise breadfruit active. Yeah man.
Sunrise Boss Production.
Freeze.
Yeah man, fully active in the kitchen man. Barracuda setting. Yeah man, putting back over here something. I deal with the fire vice versa. You know, when it get too hot, the carry over there saying up heat. Yeah man, breadfruit them are roast. Breadfruit they almost done roast, so you know I fish them to fry. Cook down in a some yardman sauce and then you know it's a food active.
Fuck me up.
Oh, para sa people from the Chef Sunrise Boss. Yeah man, fully active people. Could I get some rain? You know, Father God bless him. Active outside one. Yeah man, see it. First set done fry already. Have one more set in my pot. A fry. Yeah man, see it. One more set of fry. So when that done fry, you know, I cook them up in my sauce. Yes sir. Them you know say wash off, put them in a pot.
Catch you back.
All of them. Yeah, now they are fry up some carrot and Irish, onion, scallion, thyme. All of them are fry up. Then now throw in the sauce and put back the fish in that gravy and then we use it eat the breadfruit fully active. Fully active, you know, say, look here, fish then done fry already. So I cook them down with some sauce, you know, say all of the blood fry out of them already. You see, pre. Yeah, man, so me there now. I make some sauce. Yeah, man. And you know, say, nah, tell her what I use make my sauce, you know, because I don't want to copy it. You see, pre. Yeah, man.
Yes, a printy come from.
I know that, so I'm saying, but
Alright.
see?
Just use all iron done.
Remember Barry down.
See, they're empty.
I know him, man.
Yeah, man, they are make up the sauce, you see it? Yeah, man. Anyone me go and make them a sauce, people always want to carry home. Give it the lime now. Yeah, man.
Yo, sauce, man. If you tell a man and say if you end up with your blender, then that's something different.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man,
tell
all
them
that
that.
we throw in it, man, fully active. So I go on here now, peeps. This one me fry up. Yeah, man, just throw it over here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Put it on back and make it simmer down. And I'm not normal. Soon see what I go and just subscribe to the channel, man. Yeah, man, put them in nice sauce here now. Yes, I. Nice sauce. Right now, I know mouth and run water. Hey, trouble did it. That's why I have to book Sunrise fee. Get some of them cooking here. Yeah, man. See the pot get heavy. We can't hardly hold it with one hand. Yeah, man, look the peeps. Yes. So we have sauce. We eat with the breadfruit now. Look on that. And nothing normal. Yeah, man. General make it possible. Where's your channel name again?
Likkle TV.
Alright, go and check out Likkle TV. I shoot the barracuda. Yeah, man. There. Deal with it right.
Shooter! Likkle TV. Shooter!
A barracuda. Yardman style, broadman style. Come and catch your style. Everything is versatile. Terrible to the world, I tell you that. Yeah, Likkle challenge, I don't know, say. And that's why I think that you come here, sir, on the beach, have a nice time, roast breadfruit and fish and these and all these things. Book them on there, because them on there the real thing.
Fully
We say
active.
fully active. And we say hilltop at boss.
Yeah,
to the
man.
world. Fully yardman style.
Active.
Clap 'em. That's it.
You have to be a real yard man if you can peel the breadfruit them away with the eating, you know, guys. Nah, try to not see it.
I can pick a leaf.
Yeah, and put right on it, rinse off it. Watch your style.
Yeah, man, see the next one, broad one. Yeah, man. Ready food, ready, you know, peeps, breadfruit a peel. Look here, so. Hey, boy. Hey, trouble did it. Look here. I don't know, normal, man. A biggie lifestyle. Fully active, we active.
That is it. Hilltop, boss. Good word.
Yo.
Yeah, man. Ready, ready. Ready, ready. Yeah, man. Peeps yard man style, you know. So for me plate. This is for me plate, you know.
Yardman style,
Yardman style. Yeah, man. My plate. This one I share out my own. And then I make you see a look. Yes, hi. See it up, peeps. For me own this. Trouble did it before the island. Trouble did it before the island. Yeah, man. Time for dip in here now, you know. Sauce, nice.
Yo, you make one of man about the pan with the breadfruit in man. No?
You say bad?
Bob.
Bad though.
Yeah, man, it's a full of flesh.
Beer meat.
Real meat.
Yeah.
It hot though.
Yeah, man.
Please do subscribe to the channel.
That is it, you know?
Remember, tell a friend, we outside. To the peeps, go flesh. Good man. Breadfruit. Sauce. Peeps come like more like 15 finger and a 10 me have. Bad man. Just subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend.
Come from foreign. Me a yard man. But me I tell you, the first me I taste this from the boss, I do them thing.
Yeah, man.
First me I eat from the boss. Me tell you see this? Active.
Fully.
Just uncatch it. Yard man style.
Yeah, man.
Me I tell you, up top boss.
Yeah, man.
Right.
To the world.
And what's the food bad, you know? Yeah,
Mm.
man.
Yeah, man, look there. The thing got
Boss
shot
with the
in.
secret sauce. Hey, man, make it sauce. Everybody there, so nobody don't know what they nice sauce.
Yeah, man.
Up and running, man.
Yeah, man. Pan a leaf.
What there, brother?
Yeah, man.
See that? That's how me I eat now, can I say.
Everybody.
Yeah, man, we
active,
see
man.
what's going on, but we can't make it back. We can't make it back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? No, we can't make back it sauce. We can't make it back.
You know that when I put everything in the boat. When we come see,
Me have
and
to
to
watch
make
it.
sauce like that, me have idea when.
Yes, idea no eat. Idea one
We never
thing,
make
but
it
I
that
no eat.
way, so we can't tell you well. But what you
Everything
say,
there.
to
Everything
make
there,
sauce
man.
like that.
Gravy up, man.
They make sauce like that.
Where's it? The sauce bad.
What?
Yeah, man.
Yo, this sauce crazy.
Yeah, man.
Yo, what? Now watch my video and learn from it that sauce.
Well, you know, say me not tell them I want me use. They don't go see me a throw tobacco. So me not too sure them I want. Yeah, me can't make them know sauce. Boy, bad man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Jenna over here, so. Yardman style. Yardman, Bob, say it again.
Yardman style. Sauce, but
Man, eat the leaf, you know.
No, you haven't listened to leaf guy in there.
Sauce make you eat the leaf, you know.
if you sauce that, you make me eat it.
A boss. You know that's your leaf, you know.
No, they say, man, mash up that.
Fully active, man.
Fully active. Yardman style.
Yardman style. Yeah, man.
Barracuda.
Yeah, man. I shoot, man. Please. Yeah, man. You active, man. Coulda, man. Look how pretty. Everything active, man.